What is up, guys? It's me again, Ricky, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are out for a day hike adventure, and we will also practice a few camping nuts that you might find useful around camp. And we will focus on quick release nuts and a little discussion on tensioning nuts as well. So stay tuned. And just like that, rain already started pouring down, and I think it's going to rain hard, so I think I better wear my jacket. Okay, the first knot that we have here is the Siberian hitch knot. To make our Siberian hitch knot, just position your palm like this, then wrap your working end like that, then fold your hand upwards, then make a bite on this side, insert it through that first loop, then pull it. Once you have that figure of 8 formed on there, you can already pull the loaded end, and you have yourself the Siberian hitch knot. It's a quick release knot, so simply by pulling this tail, we already have released our line. And for our next knot, another quick release knot, the Highwayman's hitch. We can just simply create a bite, wrap it around that branch or tree, then insert the loaded end, this one, the longer rope, onto that bite, and pull on your shorter rope or the working end, this one, and then create another bite on your tail end, insert it on that second bite or loop, then start pulling on the loaded end, and you have yourself the Highwayman's hitch. Again, it's a quick release knot. Okay, the next knot is called the Getaway knot or Getaway hitch. Same with the Highwayman's hitch. We just create a bite like this, wrap it around the tree, insert this bite right there. Okay, and then we let go of that tail end or the release end down under, then create a bite, insert it through that first loop, then start pulling on your loaded end like this, and you have yourself the Getaway knot. Another quick release knot, simply by pulling this tail off. Okay, last and final quick release anchoring knot is the quick release slip knot. And to make our quick release slip knot is we just first create a marline spike hitch on this part, just right where you can wrap this one on your tree or branch, then insert a bite on that marline spike hitch and start pulling on your loaded end like this. Then you have yourself your quick release slip knot. Again, by simply pulling this other end, you already have your ropes back. Okay, this time we are going to demonstrate a few quick release tensioning knots. First is called the adjustable grip hitch. To make our adjustable grip hitch, it's actually very similar to the taut line hitch, simply by crossing our working end on our standing end, wrapping it like this once, twice, but instead of going here like the taut line hitch, we will make our third wrap like that and make a bite, insert this bite onto that third wrap, then cinch that thing down. You will now have your adjustable grip hitch. You can put tension on this and this thing isn't going to move, just like how a taut line hitch works, but it's a quick release. See that? Our next quick release tensioning knot is the Farrimond friction hitch. First, we'll just do a underhand slip like this, then wrap that around your standing end once, twice, and on your third, let's do it again, once, twice, and on my third wrap, just leave a small hole right there or loop, then you create a bite on your tail end. Insert that thing right there, and after you cinch that thing down, it should look like this. Again, it's a tensioning knot. You can put tension on this line. This thing is going to hold once weight is applied, but it's also a quick release knot like this. So if you guys like this video, please feel free to subscribe, like and share, or leave a comment down below. It really helps the channel a lot. And once again, thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this episode. Until next time, keep practicing your nuts.